Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I am going to speak about BuddyPress Profanity plugin. This plugin helps you keep your BuddyPress community safe and secure. For example, you could use it to filter and replace inappropriate keywords in your community, making it more welcoming to everyone. First, you need to install the plugin. Once the plugin has been installed, you may find the plugin under WB plugin section as BuddyPress Profanity. Click it. It will open the BuddyPress Profanity settings interface. Very first setting is keywords to remove. You may add the keywords which you want to remove here. You may add the keywords. Next is content to be filtered. The content to which you want to filter, you may enable that option, such as status update, activity comments and messages, etc. You may enable or disable as per your choice. Next is word rendering. This option allows you to select the pattern in which the profanity will be displayed in the community's post or comments. We have selected first and last letter retained. Next setting is filter character. This option allows you to select the character which will replace the letters of keywords and will be displayed in the community's post or comments. Next setting is case matching. This setting provides two options, case sensitive and case insensitive. Case sensitive filter keywords with strict case matching and are not recommended, while case insensitive settings capture more words while filtering. We recommend users use case insensitive matching. Strict filtering. This setting has two modes. This mode does not filter the embedded keywords, and when it is on, this mode filters out the embedded keywords. Now save the changes. Now switch to the front end of the website. You can see the activity menu. Click it. You can see in the activity section, if someone types a bad word, only first and last letter will be shown. You may type a word and post it. You can see only first and last letter is being shown. Thank you.